Welcome to the story of the Igbo people in Equatorial Guinea, a community that has thrived in the heart of Central Africa. The Igbo people migrated to Equatorial Guinea from southeastern Nigeria, primarily as traders, laborers, and colonizers during the colonial era. Despite being far from their ancestral homeland, the Igbo people in Equatorial Guinea have managed to preserve their rich cultural heritage and traditions. They celebrate various cultural festivals with great enthusiasm, showcasing their vibrant music, dance, and art forms. These festivals are not just a means of celebration, but also a way to pass down traditions to the younger generation. The Igbo community practices traditional religious ceremonies, which are integral to their cultural identity. They also ensure that the Igbo language is spoken and taught to the children, keeping the language alive and thriving. Traditional Igbo attire is worn with pride during these ceremonies and festivals, symbolizing their connection to their roots. The colorful and intricate designs of their clothing reflect the rich history and craftsmanship of the Igbo people. The Igbo people in Equatorial Guinea are primarily engaged in trade, commerce, and labor. They have established themselves as successful entrepreneurs and business leaders. Their presence in the market is vibrant and dynamic, with a wide array of goods being sold, from fresh produce to handmade crafts. The Igbo traders are known for their negotiation skills and business acumen, often forming strong relationships with their customers. This thriving market scene not only supports their families but also contributes significantly to the local economy. The Igbo community's dedication to hard work and innovation has made them a vital part of Equatorial Guinea's economic landscape. The Igbo people in Equatorial Guinea are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Igbo spirit. Despite being far from home, they have managed to create a sense of belonging and unity. They have built a thriving community that not only supports each other, but also contributes to the broader society in Equatorial Guinea. Their cultural celebrations and traditional events are vibrant and full of life, showcasing the rich heritage of the Igbo people. These events are not just a way to remember their roots, but also a means to educate the younger generation about their ancestry and traditions. Elders in the community play a crucial role in passing down stories and customs, ensuring that the Igbo identity remains strong and vibrant. Many Igbo individuals have also ventured into various businesses, contributing to the local economy and fostering economic growth. Their support systems are robust, with community members always ready to lend a helping hand to those in need. Celebrating achievements and milestones together strengthens their bonds and reinforces their collective identity. Join us next time as we explore more stories of African diaspora communities, delving into their unique experiences and contributions to the world.